Hello guys, in today's video the new AGM PAD P2 Android 14 tablet is created for enjoyment in excellent 11-inch 90Hz refresh rate display, which makes it a good choice for multimedia consumption. Inside we find the powerful MediaTek Helio G99 processor, which is accompanied by up to 16GB of RAM. The device has a 50MP Samsung rear camera and offers the quad speakers, 3.5mm headphone jack and much more. All in all, a very interesting tablet, so be sure to watch this AGM PAD P2 video review. The PAD P2 is not a rugged waterproof tablet like its predecessor PAD P1, but it still brings some significant improvements compared to the previous model. But let's start with the unboxing first. Let's see what is in this yellow box. Right on the top of the box is our PAD P2, which is packed in this protective flip case. Here we have a SIM pin. Moving on, we find some essential items such as user manual instructions written in many different languages. Here are some MGM stickers, then a USB Type-C charging cable and a 20-watt fast charger to quick charge the tablet battery. This was the contents of the sales package. Now let's look at the tablet now. As we can see, the PAD P2 comes with its handy protective flip case, which is also waterproof. This case can be very useful in order to protect the tablet as well as possible. There is also a slot for a stylus pen and it can also be used as a stand. Now let's take it off. The tablet's design exudes elegance and premium quality, boasting a sleek and compact form factor. With a slim profile of just 7.5mm and lightweight build, it's stylish and practical for on-the-go use. Through the AGM's reputation for producing durable devices, the PAD P2 showcases robustness and solidity, ensuring a reliable user experience without any creaks or bends. On the back, it is a dual elegant round camera module that consists of a single 50MP main camera and an LED flash. On the side there is only volume buttons. On this side we find the power button and we find two speakers, the same two on the opposite side, resulting a total of 4 stereo speakers that provides excellent stereo surround sound on this tablet. In the middle is a USB Type-C port for charging, as well as a micro SD card or SIM card tray. The tablet supports two 4G nano SIM cards or one nano SIM plus TF card slot with expandable storage of up to 2TB. Let's not forget this 3.5mm headphone jack placed on the very corner of the tablet. From the front we can see the 8MP front camera positioned in the middle, excellent for video calls and selfies. The display of the PAD P2 stands out as one of the finest with its price range and comes with a large 11-inch display compared to the 10.36-inch screen on the older model. This LCD panel offers a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels and even a 90Hz refresh rate at the 400 nits brightness level. Let's not forget that it supports an active capacity pen. This ensures a satisfying visual experience across all content types, characteristics by accurate colors and impressive brightness. Even under the sunny conditions, the screen remains reliable and does not fading, although this does not apply to direct sunlight. This type of screen is a remarkable inclusion for a budget tablet, generating accurate color representation and distortion-free visuals. Smooth playback on the YouTube content was a remarkable experience. Videos can be comfortably enjoyed of up to 1080p resolution without any disrupts or lag. Whether it's watching movies or playing games, the tablet offers a genuinely enjoyable experience. PAD P2 is certified with the Wi-Fi L1, allowing users to enjoy the latest series on the streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu or Disney Plus in brilliant 1080p resolution and higher. During testing, I encountered no issues with the internet browsing, social media scrolling, document creation or email management. The beautiful large 11-inch screen with the 90Hz refresh rate makes it ideal for content consumption and multitasking. Now let's take a look at the back of the tablet now and see what we find here. A dual elegant round camera module with the 50 megapixel Samsung main camera lens, and next to it is a round LED light. The camera software offers different modes like a Pro mode, night mode, portrait and much more. This camera takes decent photos in daylight and has the ability to record videos at 180 pixel resolution and 16 fps and even 2K videos at 30 fps. Now to get a feel for the camera performance, it's best to check out a few samples we took using our PAD P2, so let's take a look. The PAD P2 tablet is set to embrace the cut-edge Android 14 intelligent operating system in 2024, promising significant advancement in privacy protection. This includes enhanced control over app permissions, the implementation of more secure 6-digit passwords, and various other innovative features yet to be explored. With the pre-installed Google Play Store, users can seamlessly synchronize all their applications, ensuring a clean Android experience devoid of unnecessary bloatware and intrusive ads. Crafted for exceptional user-friendliness, the tablet's user interface is carefully designed to offer a smooth and intuitive experience for all users. Performance is top-notch with the PAD P2 running tasks and apps smoothly without any lag. Additionally, with the Bluetooth 5.2, 4G LTE and support for 2.4/5 GHz Wi-Fi, users can enjoy seamless high-speed wireless connectivity for calls, browsing and streaming. The PAD P2 sets a new standard in memory configuration, boasting an impressive 8GB of base RAM. What's even more remarkable is that ability to utilize extended 8GB RAM, reaching a massive of total 16GB RAM, enhancing fluidity and accelerating tasks. In terms of storage, the PAD P2 offers a generous 256GB of rapid UFS 2.2 storage, expandable of up to staggering 2TB for those with need of additional capacity. Powering device is excellent. MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, clocked at up to 2.2 GHz and built using TSMC's state-of-the-art 6nm technology. Renowned for its advanced energy efficiency, this chipset holds the title as the best and fastest 4G chipset on the market. With octa-core architecture and ARM Mali G57 graphics, it seamlessly balances power efficiently with raw performance, delivering exceptional user experience. The PAD P2 is really daylight for gaming enthusiasts. It effortlessly handles demanding games from the Google Play Store, even on the highest graphical settings. Equipped with a robust hardware and the cutting-edge 7-dimensional graphical cooling system, it effortlessly regulates temperature, providing overheating during intense gaming seasons. Moreover, the tablet's 7850 mAh battery ensures extended hours of gaming, making it the top choice for the gamers. With a 12-watt fast charging support, you can quickly recharge and get back to your gaming adventures without delay. In summary, the AGM PAD P2 tablet stands out as a remarkable blend of style, performance and innovation, setting a new benchmark in the premium Android tablet market. With its stunning 11-inch 2K display, vibrant colors and sharp details, it offers an immersive viewing experience ideal for multimedia consumption. Powered by the robust MediaTek Helio G99 processor, it offers up to 16GB of RAM. The PAD P2 ensures exceptional performance and multitasking capabilities, ensuring smooth operation even during demanding tasks and gaming seasons. Its generous storage options, including of up to 2TB of expandable storage, provide ample space for apps, games and media files. The tablet's sleek premium design and lightweight form factor makes it a joy to hold and use, while its quad speaker setup and advanced audio technology deliver rich, impressive sound quality for enhanced entertainment experience. Additionally, the PAD P2 prioritizes user comfort with the L1 certifications, ensuring high-quality streaming on popular platforms like Netflix. The ultra-thin 7.5mm metal unibody design, combined with its weight of 550 grams, adds an element of elegance and portability to this model, making it standout choice for users seeking a style, performance and convenience in their tablet experience. If you are impressed by this tablet after this review, and I'm sure you are, you can currently buy it for around $180, which is an excellent deal. Be sure to check out the official sales link below this video to get yourself a AGM PAD P2 tablet today. That wraps up today's review. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.